Oh, wow. Wow.
Here, get your button here.
Wow. That's it right there, yeah.
That's it.
That's it right there. That's it right there.
Look, it's coming to us.
That's right where I live. That's not good.
Is that where you live?
It's going this way.
Look at it turning. Look at it turning right there. Look at it turning. Look at it turning. See it turning?
Holy crap.
Look, it's debris in there.
Yeah.
It's got debris in
Yeah.
there. It's coming up.
That is coming right across that. Y'all better
Holy
come
shit.
in.
Oh,
That's it
wow.
right there.
That's coming towards us, guys.
Yeah, it is.
They're coming towards us.
That's the tornado right there.
Look.
Yeah, look at it.
Oh, wow, dude.
Come on, we need it. That's right there. Look at it. It's right there.
They don't care. Oh, wow.
It's jumping. It's going. It's back inside. Yeah.
Hot stick, you don't see it.
There it is. Right there it is.
It's coming.
There it is. Right there.
We need to get inside, dude.
Yeah, come on, y'all. That's all.
We need to get inside.
Just don't tear up that deal right there.
That's my
I
truck.
gotta get away from that glass.
Oh my God, y'all get away. It's coming across us. Oh my God.
Hey, you get the inventory room?
The inventory or the bathroom? I don't know.
I'm in the inventory room. It's going that way. Look at the debris it's carrying.
Oh, my.
Listen to it. I don't hear that sucker.
Yeah, like.
It's about to hit Sam's. It's about to hit Sam's.
We took them trees out.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, dude.
It's past us now. It's behind
Look at the
Sam's.
trees, dude.
I just want to see what's going to do that building right there.
It's hitting Sam's
It's
in
behind-
Walmart.
It's behind Sam's, ain't it?
They want a transformer.
Yeah, there's transformers.
Oh my God, y'all know I can spin
Hey.
across here real quick.
No, it's past
here.
It's already past.
We're watching a tornado, Mama.
Hey, y'all.
Oh, look,
It's
look.
right across the highway from us. We're watching it right now.
Come listen to it.
It's
Where's the door?
that is as wicked as I've ever seen.
Oh, my God.
That thing has stayed on the ground a long time, ain't it?
Oh, my. Dude, I've never. Go a little more. Go a little more. You see the trees, dude? It's putting them up like it's nothing.
Yeah.
Dude, we saw it start on that hill earlier.
Oh, I know.
We saw it. We saw something on that hill. It was way over there.
Mm-hmm.
And that was it. It's gotten smaller, though.
Yeah, it's smaller now.
Wow, another transformer.
It transports still low.
And there's the rain. Calm before the tornado. Now here it comes. Wow, dude.
Look at that.
And now it's pouring. This is twisted
It's
to
gonna
ride.
cross. It's gonna cross Hardy Street.
Oh, it's getting bigger again, dude. It's growing. Holy crap. And people are driving towards it.
It's like it stalled there, or did it go back that way?
It's bigger. Hey, y'all come see this over here. Look at it, dude. You're seeing the actual funnel right now. Look.
You see it? Yeah, you do.